so young.
Yeah,
and
well, I
just,
was like 18 or 19.
You were and so good. Did the
Yeah.
girls go crazy?
Yeah, I think
और
they
steps
did.
याद है आपको?
हाँ,
अभी?
steps कुछ याद है, हाँ.
बहुत cute, so adorable. Let's come back to your dramas because we're in the drama field
Yeah,
together.
we've done one.
हमने
We've
क्या?
done one,
We've done a telefilm.
We've done, which was really funny. Yeah.
Yeah, it was
Kabotar.
great. It was
Yeah,
the
that was
best
funny.
telefilm.
I loved my role in that best. That was inspiring.
I was a kabooterbaz.
You were a kabooterbaz and I was a शायर. जो ट्रकों के पीछे जो शेर होते हैं ना वो लिखता
And
था.
then we did a drama जिसमें हमारा एक साथ कोई सीन शूट नहीं हुआ था.
नहीं हुआ था. होना था apparently,
but नहीं
लेकिन
हुआ.
नहीं हो
It's
सका.
called Alif Allah and
Yeah,
Sam.
जिसमें you were amazing.
So were you.
You were
so
phenomenal.
good. I think
But
that
you had a
was-
far more challenging character. तुम तो बिल्कुल ही एक वो सड़क पे रहने वाली थी.
But you know, Mikal, the
Chomping में,
characters
you know.
are ज़्यादा easy.
And I
होते हैं.
remember तेरा मेकअप मुझे याद आ रहा है. Literally इसका मेकअप ये होता था कि मिट्टी उठाई और ये लगाओ और ये इसका
Asim
मेकअप.
Talish is the genius behind it. मुझे
Yeah,
unit
so
दाव दी,
amazing.
मेरी दांतों में चीजें
मुझे याद है तेरे like धब्बे टाइप.
धब्बे थे proper.
Yeah. Like you were really and you were good.
It was, but because Mikal, it was a different character.
Yeah.
That was easier to do.
Yeah.
हम ये बेचारी लड़की की variations लाना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया. वो फिर भी आसान था मेरे लिए.
Because उसमें you know वो
आप
ये
कुछ
जो
बन सकते थे.
वो जो जब आपके पास वो atmosphere हो ना जैसे वाकई तुमने मिट्टी लगाई हुई है तो you'll feel गंदा.
You feel गंदा.
You know,
you're-
तो then you'll act accordingly. और
It was-
मुझे तेरे बाल भी याद है बिल्कुल ही वो जो
अरे यार thanks. अब उसकी तस्वीर ना लगा.
आप वो लगाओ ना.
I think I won an award for that, but I wasn't there.
Yeah.
I think I won.
No,
a couple
you
of-
deserve
I wasn't-
one.
Oh, thank you so much.
You know.
You are known to be a complete gentleman, and I can attest to that.
Thank
Mikal is a gentleman.
Thank you.
In sets पे आपकी बहुत तारीफ होती है.
अच्छा, I'm
Do you
glad.
feel like the age of the gentleman is dying out? The
Um,
chivalrous age, and do you?
Yeah,
believe
I
in
think
that?
so. I think you know you कम रह गए हैं अब.
कम रह गए?
Yeah, I think कम रह गए.
But I've never heard anything bad about you. I've never experienced. I mean,
Thank
I've
you.
thought we've been friends for
Yeah.
10
Thank you for
plus
saying
years.
that. That means a lot to me.
Mashallah. And it's
That
just
means a lot
always
to me.
been
Thank you.
the most pleasant vibe.
You know,
if
and
Mikal's coming, it's a good day.
Thank you, especially with my female co-stars. I mean, this is actually something I've never gotten to say on an interview. You know, I feel very protective about my female co-stars. You
Yeah.
know, I feel you guys get a lot of attention anyway, and get a lot of you know bad press or jo bhi, you know, get a lot of you know,
of flack.
prying eyes. in a
Yeah,
way,
yeah.
You know, so मेरा हमेशा point ये रहता है कि I do not want to be that person. You know, I just want to be a safe place
Aw.
where we can have you know a mutually friendly relationship where you know you don't feel threatened. You know, I think that's really important. You know, it has been very important to me.
And it's,
You know.
you've,
Thank you.
that's
You know,
fantastic.
thank
And
you.
we're all so happy that
You
you're in this
know. All right.
industry.
Awesome.
We all love our meeks. I want to come to that. You are a girl dad. You have
Yeah,
two
but
beautiful
two
daughters.
beautiful daughters. yeah,
Mashallah. How
yeah.
old are they?
They're 13 and 11 now.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, they're
They're
big
getting
kids
there.
now.
They're getting
Yeah,
big.
yeah,
They were
yeah.
itni si.
Haan,
I remember.
haan,
Oh my
haan.
gosh, mashallah.
Yeah, now they're itni si.
So what's it like raising them in this day and age? And what kind of a girl dad are you?
Oh, they're my bros.
They're bros?
Yeah, they're my bros.
Acha.
You know, that's how we talk. Bro, what's up? Bro, what's happening?
Really?
Yeah. We're bros. And
Nice.
they call me bro too.
They call you
I mean,
bro?
they call me dad. आजकल के बच्चे जो हैं वो इतने समझदार हैं already. उनके पास इतनी access to information है. I mean, there's been many a time कि मैंने सोचा कि यार अब वक्त आ गया ये मैं बात कर लेता हूँ और वो पहली बात हो चुकी होती है. You
Wow.
know, because they have so much information.
So do you restrict the information of screen time पे थोड़ी
Yeah, I think
restrictions
it's very
डालते हैं?
tough. I mean, you try to, but you
Yeah.
know, जब आप device एक दे दो, तो फिर आप कितना ही कर लोगे यार. We try कि वो ज़्यादा उनका exposure ना हो, लेकिन I think in today's day and age it's very difficult.
It
You know,
is.
because everything is online. It's almost a digital
It's
life.
scary though, isn't it? You have to like.
I mean, it is,
be
and it, you know, as I
protective.
said, I think, you know, it is and it isn't. I think at the same time, they also have a lot of access to information, and
Yeah.
you know, I think, you know, parenting का तरीका वही है कि आपने जो आपकी values हैं, जो आपको अच्छे बुरे का पता है, आप वही instill करते हो अपने बच्चों में, and then that's it. That's all you can do.
Are you proud of them?
And extremely,
Yeah?
you know,
They're good kids?
extremely. They're great kids.
Mashallah.
They're great kids.
You just
Blessed.
light up when you talk
You know,
about them.
yeah. They're you know the center of my world.
Mashallah,
for sure.
mashallah. I'm so happy to see
Thank
that.
you.
I'm so happy to see that. I want to jump back into your dramas. जैसे आपकी मर्जी.
Yeah.
Did very well. बहुत मुबारक हो.
Thank you.
और आप मेरी
I think that was one of my best performances.
Really,
Yeah.
I have to watch it.
Yeah.
I've heard such good things.
Yeah, although it's not the it's not the nicest character in the world. It's a very toxic, controlling, manipulative,
like a narcissistic.
narcissistic,
आपको inspiration कहाँ से?
यार
जानने
बहुत सारी,
वाला
I mean, वो inspiration all around us है.
Oh God.
और मैंने सोचा, लेकिन actually उसमें inspiration, it was very well written. It
अच्छा, ये
was
किसने
very
लिखा
well
था?
written.
Naila Ansari मुझे
Naila
पता
Ansari,
चला।
yes.
Okay.
So it was very well written. The character was very well written. The scenes were very well written.
I can't imagine you playing a toxic.
No, and I did it amazing, and I loved it.
Really?
I loved playing that character because he was just so full of himself. And दुनिया में तो उसका एक scene है तो कहता है I'm here, right at the top. All of you down here. वो उसका हर scene ऐसा था.
Oh, that sounds so good.
And it was just fun to play. मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ कि एक्टिंग में कभी-कभार आपको वो मौका मिल जाता है जो आप रियल लाइफ में नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah.
So you get it out ना.
Yeah,
Like यार मैं रियल जिंदगी में तो कर नहीं सकता.
Oh God.
एक्टिंग में तो कर सकता हूँ.
What was it like playing with, being directed by Sabah Hamid?
Oh, it was awesome. I think उस तरह के story के लिए ना, it had to be a very sensible and knowledgeable and someone who would. She was very passionate. She was very particular.
Yeah.
कि उनको ना किस तरह चाहिए था, and I like that. I like my director being very sure कि मुझे ये दिखाना है. I mean कुछ चीजों पे मैं थोड़ा सा कोशिश करता था उनसे मैं कि नहीं ये ऐसे ही करना है.
अच्छा, उन्होंने visualize किया.
Yeah, उन्होंने किया हुआ था, and she was very particular because obviously that was she's a woman and
Yes.
a lot of women face this kind. In fact, थोड़ा सा jumping to a different side of the same. Usually जब आप characters करते हो तो आपको feedback मिलता है, great acting, great performance, great story. इस वाले में this was one of the first plays जिस पे मुझे paragraphs from women who were like, this was my story, this was my husband. Wow. This is what happened to me. Now I don't need to tell anyone कि मेरे साथ क्या हुआ. I tell them go watch that play.
And that's probably why Sabaji was able to direct it so well, because I think हर पाकिस्तानी औरत का एक narcissist के साथ कोई ना कोई experience है.
And मैं कह रहा हूँ कि paragraphs on my personal DMs में कि and तारीफ of performing it really well. अच्छा, और मुझे बड़ा वो it was such a double-edged feeling कि I'd be like thank you for कि आप मेरे performance की तारीफ कर लें, but at the same time I'm so sorry that you had to go through this.
Wow.
So it was such a mixed feeling. लेकिन this was the first one. पहले भी बहुत तारीफ और लोगों ने extended भी की हुई, लेकिन इसमें तो pouring your heart.
Gaslighting character था.
हाँ. Basically, my female co-star was Durraiz Fishan, and she also had a very strong character. लेकिन ये इतना strong होता है कि ये अपनी manipulation और अपने words और अपना character और narcissism के through ना उसको बिल्कुल तोड़ देता है. He breaks her down and he makes sure कि she starts off as a very headstrong person, लेकिन towards the end of the drama, he completely breaks her into his doormat.
Oh God!
I mean, she does win in the end, like
of
she
course,
should. Like she should.
That's so interesting.
Yeah, but I'm sorry I'm saying this, but I had fun playing that character.
I had so much fun in Bala.
I love doing negative characters.
It's so much fun. My best character that I enjoyed was Bala and I played a narcissistic sociopath as well.
Yeah.
And that's the character I gave her.
Abhi
and it was just get it out.
Yeah. Abhi bhi wo जो ये फहाद और हानिया वाला जो बहुत पॉपुलर है अभी उसमें भी जो फीमेल कैरेक्टर उसका the one Naima's doing is also a great actor. It's a very strong-headed and kind of powerful negative. I mean, that's the character people are really enjoying. They're enjoying the whole play, but they're really enjoying that character.
We should put a drama together जिसमें हम दोनों
narcissistic हो.
दोनों narcissistic और आपस में उनकी शादी हो जाए. And then what do they do? Then they like mess with
Yeah. Those are fun to play.
It's a great storyline.
Because simple characters में ना आपके पास कितना ही margin होता है कुछ करने का. Negative में there's so much.
and negative आप इतने जानने वालों पे बेस कर सकते
हाँ, exactly.
आपके शो से पहले मेरे पास फरियाद महमूद थी and we
Right.
had an entire 10 मिनट की discussion on narcissists.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I think हर औरत
It's
का
a shame
कोई ना
Faryad
कोई
doesn't act so
drama है.
much. Yeah, she should act more. I
She-
feel
वो
she'd be a great
इतनी
drama
अपनी
actor.
दुनिया में है कि she
हाँ.
just wants to do what she loves.
Yeah, yeah.
And
She
उनको
does a lot
कोई
of commercial
फिक्र नहीं.
work and she does
She doesn't
some
care
music.
about money. She doesn't care.
Yeah,
She just wants
yeah.
to do what speaks to
Yeah,
her.
but she would do so well.
She does do so
Like,
well.
नहीं, इस
mashallah.
तरह के characters, like, because she does films and stuff.
She does films and stuff mostly, yeah.
But I feel she'd be such a good drama actor too.
I agree. I agree. She did so well in the Kashif Bhai ka drama Rakib se.
Ah,
And
yes,
she
yes,
had a
yes.
really
हाँ, उसने
fantastic
किए हैं,
role in
yes,
it.
you're
But she
right.
hasn't done a drama in 4 years. she told
हाँ,
me.
वही काम करती है.
No, कम करती है. हम सब मिलके कुछ करते हैं.
Done.
I think
done,
it'll be
done,
really fun. I
done.
think we should.
Awesome.